Morning students, today we have discussed about to customize a library. When you have customized a library, first you can open Windows Explorer. There are two-way process to open Windows Explorer. First, right click on the start buttons. There are two options are available. Then click on open Windows Explorer. You can see Windows Explorer opens on your screens. Second process, click on start buttons, then click on all programs. There are long way process, then click on accessories, then click on Windows Explorer. You can see the Windows Explorer options are available in accessories, then click on Windows Explorer. Okay, so there are two-way process to open a Windows Explorer. Then you can see these Windows Explorer, there are two panes are available, left panes and open panes. In this practicals discuss about to customize a library. Okay, previous sessions we have discussed creating a library. Okay, in these sessions we have discussed to customize a library. Okay, first select the library. This library by default selected. Then right click on the library. Okay, you can see these are new library options available in left panes. Then right click on the new library. There are many options are available. Then click on properties options. Okay, from the shortcut menu. Okay, these are new library properties. Dialog box appears on your screens. You can see the new library properties dialog box appears on your screens. Okay, then choose any one options in the optimize this library for. Then you can see there are many options are available in this new library properties, include folders, drop down menu. Okay, whatever. Okay, then you can choose any one option in the optimize this library for. Then you can see these are optimized this library for. That's our drop down menu. Then you can select any one options. Okay, any one options from the drop down menu. Then here we are selecting general items. Okay, I can select general items. Okay, then click on the include of folders. You can see include of folders are available in new library properties dialog box. Above the optimize this library for, you can see optimize the library for the above include a folder options available in new library properties dialog box. Then click on the include a folder tab. There's a include a folder tab. Click on these tabs. Then you can see the include folder in a new library dialog box appears. Then you can see these are the include folder in a new library dialog box appears on your screens. When you click on the include of folders, this box appears on your screens. Okay, to add a folder in the new library, you can select any folders. Okay, and add this folder in a new library. To add a folder in the new library, select the folder either from the navigation pane or from any drive. Okay, you can select any folder from the navigation pane or from the drive. Okay, you can select any folder. Suppose I have select drive and select the folder 2018-19. Okay, I can select E drive and this E drive select the 2018-19 folder. Okay, from drive. Then click on the include folder buttons. Then you can see the include folders. Okay, available on this include folder in new library dialog box. Okay, click on the include folder button. These are include folder buttons. Click on. Okay, then in the new library properties dialog box, these are new library properties box. You will notice the selected folders in the library location pane. Then you can notice I select the 2018-19 folder from E drive. That these folders are appears on the new library properties dialog box. Okay. मैंने जो फोल्डर सिलेक्ट किया था ई ड्राइव में से, तो आप देख रहे हैं कि वो फोल्डर यहाँ पे अपीयर हो गया है, आपको दिख रहा है इन न्यू लाइब्रेरी प्रॉपर्टीज बॉक्स में. ओके, दीज आर द लाइब्रेरी लोकेशन पेयर्स. ये क्या है? लाइब्रेरी लोकेशन पेयर्स है. Before I have select the 2018-19 folder from E drive, so these folders appears in a library location. These are library location pairs. You can see the folders are appears on library location pairs. Click on apply and then OK. Then after you can click on apply and then click on OK buttons. Okay. Then you can see results. Then click on new library folders. Okay. Then you can see number of folders are stored in this new library. Okay. The dash locations, see here, dash location indicates कि what folders which location you are carrying. Okay. कौन सा फोल्डर आपने कौन सी लोकेशन से कैरी किया है, ये आपको यहाँ से दिखा रहा है. So there are 2018-19 folders. There are 31 files are available in this 2018-19 folders. There are 2018-19 folder carried from E drive, and these folders are stored in new library folders. Okay. When you click on new library folders, okay, again I click on this new library folders. You can see the 2018-19 folder are stored in this new library. So these folders, these are carried from E drive. Okay, and this E drive folder, E drive, that folder name is 2018-19 folder, and in this 2018-19 folder there are 31 files are available, files and folders. You can see. Okay. Suppose you want to delete these folders on this new library. Suppose you want to delete these folders in a new library, then you can select new library. Okay, then click on right arrow. Okay, you can see these are left panes. Okay, in the left panes there are number of files and folder available. These folders are stored in this new library. 2018-19 folders are stored in this new library. Then click on right arrow, gas are attached this new library. Okay, then you can see the 2018-19 folder from E drive, जिसे हमने E drive से कैरी किया था, वो कहाँ पे स्टोर है? न्यू लाइब्रेरी में. then click on these folders. Okay, then right click on these folders. Okay, this shortcut menu appear on your screens. When you can click on this 2018-19 folders. Okay, when you can right click. Okay, when you can right click on this 2018-19 folders, there are shortcut menu appears on your screens. Then you can select remove location from library. Okay, तो आपको क्या करना है, वो फोल्डर आपको यहाँ से जो लाइब्रेरी के लोकेशन में हमने जो फोल्डर स्टोर किया है वो आपको हटाना है, उसको रिमूव करना है. देन क्लिक ऑन दिस ऑप्शन रिमूव लोकेशन फ्रॉम लाइब्रेरी. देन यू कैन सी नो एनी फोल्डर्स available in this new library. Okay, then no folders are available in this library. Okay, so thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.